Hello stamping friends, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a great card to share with you today. Before I get started on today's card, I wanted to let everybody know starting today through August 6th, I will be doing free shipping. This is exclusively to me and me alone, but I will be offering free shipping on all orders that are $30 or more before shipping and tax. So yeah, take advantage of the free shipping, you guys. Today's card is super cute. It is a little hidden pop-up card. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to show you how I made this. Just so you know, I added a little bit of rhinestones here, but that's because I had a boo-boo. This is not a good idea because I did find when I went to close it, the rhinestones were catching. So don't add rhinestones. Okay, if you missed any of these measurements, I will have them over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com with a written detailed description as well. So I'm using Whisper White for my card base, and this is cut at 4 1/4 by 7 1/2. I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 3 by 7 1/2. I have a piece of designer series paper, and this is cut at 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. And then I have a the pop-up piece, which is 2 inches by 3 inches. Which I'm going to have to cut a piece. And then I went ahead and die cut 21. Now these have retired, but if you have them, good for you. I didn't want to get rid of mine. I love my letters. So if you have them, good, don't get rid of them. And then the balloon bouquet punch. So we need to do some scoring. So on your card base, we need to score this at 5 and at 6. On the basic black piece, we need to score this at 5 and at 6. I need to cut this piece down to 2 by 3. Two-inch by 3-inch, and that's our pop-up piece. Okay, so now we need to fold and burnish our score lines. Okay, so we got a accordion style crease. We are going to rotate this, and that's going to be the opposite piece. So right now our pieces look exactly the same, and all I'm doing is I'm flipping it to face the opposite direction. Okay, I'm now going to add my tearing tape, and you have to use tearing tape because it's a nice strong adhesive and you want this to stick. I'm going to now remove the backing. you are going to make sure this is centered. Now, a little goopy there. You're going to add your your multi-purpose glue onto your DSP. I am making this a 21st card. I don't know who's turning 21. I figured this is for my niece. I'll give her this card when she's 21. Hey, remember when you turned 12, my dear? Okay, then here it is. I'm going to punch out 2 balloons. And I'm going to add the balloons to my little punch out piece. I'm using the, what stamp is this? Okay, I'm using this Happy Birthday. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place today. It's Monday, that's what it is. Happy Birthday, right over the balloons. What you're going to do now is you're going to make a crease. So you're going to flip it over. And you're going to make a crease on the left side. And you just want to make like a triangle. And again, you are going to add your tear and tape. And then this piece is going to go underneath. You're going to open it back up. This piece you're going to go all the way to that crease in the back, but you want it lower than this piece. Let's see if it works. You ready? Little half bow. All right, let's see if it works. What? Super cute. Very easy to put together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products I used, I will have them linked down in the description below, which will head you over to my online store. I will have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there. I hope everybody has a great week ahead. Thanks so much for stopping by. Take care.